Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is the 9th day of February 2021. We're going to give you all an update on Plug Power. Going to give you all our expectations as to where we're expecting the market to go. You guys can already see we did a prediction as to what we expected the market to do. We're going to go into that and then do another prediction as to where we're expecting this particular market to go. Now, before I go into that, and this is your first opportunity to watch these videos, you guys appreciate it. You guys can see how simple our price chart looks, how simple we speak. Then make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel if you appreciate it. Now, we're looking at Plug Power right now, and the last time we did our video for Plug Power was on the 26th day of January of this year. And let me zoom in, and you guys can see that we expected some weakness to occur into the market in Plug Power. Not a lot, but generally we're expecting the market to go lower in price. And for the most part, this market in Plug Power has just hovered and consolidated. It just literally traded sideways since we did our video right here. The market in Plug Power has just been trading within a range, which is a very positive thing to see. We wanted that to occur in order for the market to go higher in price, right? So we had a couple of days to where the market in Plug Power did go lower, preferably back here to the lows that came in on the 20th, the 22nd, even right here to where we started this particular sideways trading action on the 12th. Okay, so that is very good. So for the most part, I will just take this prediction that we did on the 26th of January. We'll just take it as a loss, a minimal loss, because the market currently is here close to our break-even point. So that would be about a loss of about 0.91%. We're going to go ahead and get rid of it, because generally what has occurred since that video lets us know that the market is not that weak. Okay, so if the market is not that weak, we understand that there is only three possible ways that the market can go. It can go lower, it could go higher, or it can just trade sideways. Now currently the price action for Plug Power is trading sideways. So since we are currently seeing the market trade sideways, there's only two other options that we can expect the trap to go, either higher or lower. Now we expected the market to go lower on our last prediction, and that didn't come to fruition. So that leaves us with only one more option: higher price. Okay, so let's look at this on a different time frame for Plug Power, and you all can see here that yes, we are understanding that weakness is here. There is selling going on into the market right now in Plug Power around this $65 to $72 area. There is selling going on. The result that you would expect to see from that is movement to the downside. But if you look, we're not going lower. The market in Plug Power is not showing us that it wants to drop in price. Not on the 3-day time frame, and not even on the 5-day. The market still is trying to go higher in price, and we simply need to follow the trap. And he is dropping these nuggets to us, letting us know of what he wants to do. When the market doesn't react the way that it needs to, you understand that you need to play the opposite role. And since the market is trading around these particular price levels and we're not seeing any weakness, any droppage in price, we need to take the opposite side. So on this particular forecast, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market and Plug Power. Now, that doesn't alleviate, the fact that there is still selling going on. That is something that can still occur as we see this market trade out. We can still see that. But we're going to continue to show you that considering what has been occurring into the market of Plug Power of late, the greater probability is that the market is trying to go higher. So we're going to continue to play that out on this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this prediction real quick. And you all can see here, draw this line real quick and show you all where support into the market is trying to be. So this area around $60.63 is support. We have a couple of days to where the market broke that right here on the 21st, and then again on the 15th. Okay, so the market ultimately cannot break the low that came in on the 15th of January, which is around $57.37. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to continue to play that right there. So we're going to play this strength into the market in plug power. Okay, and so long as this market trades above our support line, which is around $57.50, the anticipation of higher price is still there. Now, let me show you where restriction is. This area here is restriction. Okay, so obviously we will need to come into the market and TP the market around $70, which would be, about 5.5% market movement in plug power. But we're going to continue to play the strength here into the market for this particular stock. Okay, we're going to continue to play that strength. And now we simply let the trap work. This is our expectations as to what we're expecting the market to do in plug power. Based off the last couple of trading days, we're not seeing that much weakness, which is why we're going to play this forecast of expecting the market to go higher. Okay, so this is our prediction and forecast. Now it's your turn. What do you all see in the market for plug power? Do you think the market's going to continue to go higher in price over the next 2 weeks? If not, let us know with a comment in the comment section, and tell everyone else where would you exit out your position if you're a day trader, or if you just simply trade on the short term. If you're long term, then maybe this video is not even applicable to you if you're holding this for 5 to 10 years. Okay, but just let us know your thoughts about plug power and where do you think the price will be in 2 weeks. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now you know what to do. Trade different.